I thought you left me. I really thought you did. Na, 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 na. I was praying but the sky felt closed, calling your name but I felt alone. Tears on my pillow night after night, asking you, Lord, are you still by my side? People I trusted all walked away. Nothing was going the way that I prayed. I kept on smiling, hiding the pain, but deep inside I was losing my faith. Oh, I almost gave up, I won't lie. There were nights I just wanted to cry. Did you hear me? Were you there? Or was I talking too empty? Yeah, you never left. Even when I couldn't feel you, you held me close when I was falling apart. Every tear that fell, you counted everyone. Even in the dark, you were there in my heart. I thought I was alone in the storm, but you were right there all along. Now I see what I couldn't see. You never left, you never left me. Now I look back and I realize every closed door was your disguise. What felt like loss was making me strong. You were teaching me all along. The pain I felt had a purpose too. Every broken piece led me to you. Now I'm standing, I'm still here, and I know you were always near. Even when I lost my way, even when I lost my way, you never turned your face away. Even when I doubted you, even when I doubted you, your love was still pulling me through. Even when I doubted you, oh, you never left. Now I believe. Through every scar, now I can see. Oh yeah, every moment you carried me. Even when I couldn't breathe, you never left me. You never left me. You never left me. You never left me. You never left me, not even for a second.